A hairy tail. Again, God's people disobeyed him. So God let the Philistines rule over them for 40 years. Then he chose a man named Samson to set them free. An angel promised Samson's mother that she would have a son. Samson would have to make 3 promises to God. Never drink wine, never touch dead things, never cut his hair. God made Samson very strong. He killed a lion and bees made honey in its body. Samson tossed the dead lion, breaking one of his promises to God. He even ate the honey. Samson fell in love with a woman named Delilah. The Philistines promised her lots of money to discover why Samson was so strong. She asked him again and again. Finally, Samson told Delilah his secret. If my hair is cut, my strength will go. So, while he slept, Delilah called for a man to cut off his hair. Samson's strength left him. When the Philistines arrived, they captured him easily. They blinded him. Then they put him in prison and set him to work, dragging a heavy grinding stone. Slowly, Samson's hair grew back. The Philistines brought Samson into their temple to thank their false god, Dagon, for defeating him. Samson asked God to make him strong one last time. Samson stood between 2 pillars and pushed on them. The temple fell down, killing all the Philistines and Samson with them. Samson didn't keep his promises, but God kept his. Did God make Samson strong again so that his people would be free from the Philistines?